The perspective of whether a market is up or down on the day is very limited unless you can see what's actually going on in candlestick signals. As we can see, the last few days, there's been tails to the downside, but they close it higher. This represents the bears trying to knock the market down, but the bulls are still there to keep it up. And notice how the T-line is still acting as a very effective support level. One very simple rule in candlestick analysis is as long as it closes above the T-line without a candlestick sell signal, the higher the probability you're still in an uptrend. This will allow you to be able to sleep well at night when you're investing. A slow trending uptrend in the market allows the investor confidence to build up in specific stocks. And once again, here's a recommendation we've been in, SBGI, that every time it comes back to the T-line and we see a bullish signal, they pop it up one more time. Pull back to the T-line, bullish signal, they pop it back up again. This is not anything where you're just kind of pulling from the air. This is using information that has provided high probability results from the Japanese rice traders for centuries. Anytime you see a bullish signal, especially with it trading above the T-line, and stochastic still not turning down, you could just consider you're in an uptrend and you continue to hold those positions. But the individual stock chart patterns are more indicative of what's happening in that stock versus what the market is doing. Remember, candlestick signals are the accumulative knowledge of everybody buying and selling during a specific time frame, and part of that knowledge is knowing which way the market trend is moving in general. But as we can see in the Netflix chart, ever since the bearish engulfing signal that closed below the T-line, we've been in a downtrend. Even though the market's been trading flat, this stock is trading down. That is information that is valuable for whether you want to be long or short in a position. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.